Carreras Chess. How to play. The rules are the same as regular chess, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Lay out a 10 by 8 board with a white square in the bottom right. Set up pawns on white's second row. On their first, from left to right, set up rook, centaur, knight, bishop, queen, king, bishop, knight, champion, rook. Mirror this setup for black. The centaur has the combined moves of a bishop and knight. The champion has the combined moves of the rook and knight. You are not allowed to castle. En passant is not allowed. However, you are not allowed to perform a pawn's double step move if it blocks a check and that pawn would land next to an opponent's pawn. The first player to checkmate their opponent wins.